host United Showbiz. Now we invite Asibolanga by, you know. I can boldly say, Omo Mugu show ni sunya. Omo echibi. Mama ka wo show ni sunya, including na Mcbrown ni nya. Omo echibi. Na nipa we chibi kesiya pa wom. Sa Mr. Logic bi no tena honom no.
How about Notice GATV so? Notice GATV no new channel BBFA political news, entertainment news, even kokonsa. Ebe to dwa no, breaking it down. I'm what you see. Now, first thing, for the best film one say, subscribe to this channel. Now, the video be a bab on tin when you're quite ashe at their mind. Now, what me leave comment say be uncle here in your quite ya namo yes etutu.
Asamo. Now, me say your friend is saying United Showbiz for show na Mcbrown a hosting na Omoni Afia Schwar ba as guest asi Bolanga. Na I could boldly say Nanama Mcbrown show na host United Showbiz. Now we invite Asibolanga by, you know. I can boldly say, Omo Mugu show ni sunya. Omo echibi. Oh yes. United Television show no mu host, you know. Nanama Mcbrown we host as host, no. Met back as Omo Mugu show ni sunya. Omo echibi. Apart from Arnold Asamoah and Ola Michael, Omo Maka was showing sunya, including na Mcbrown in ya. Omo echibi. Na nipa we chibi kesiya pa wom. Sa Mr. Logic bi no tena honom no. Ano de ni su jimi e sa Logic bi no tena honom no. Ano de ni su jimi e mi hu bi da. Sir, I mean, can't mention more. Kwame A+ podie. Me yine sin chain. Me fani ka ejibi for ne ho. Because onum podie, se me ka se Kwame A+ we jimi a. Na che automatically me odi Tonardo ankasa. Me didi me ho atem se my den. Me jimi. Because Asibolanga ekodi di twem. Aya wona sele mama. Oni baba se me twaso. Obo okwa sa metwa so won chanche wo de tete no aye woni twem na agwa kwakwachi ni mpo no me na automatic minim say dia Asibolanga kwa ya nyampo me defending no de mu woten in the sender kwa me A+ after United Television so o United Showbiz so defending Asibolanga me fane nka ejibi for no bugu United Showbiz de so because me yes automatically me so be di me ho atem because if you have to say ka kobo ejama e kodi ni twempo agwa be chi ni po the whole Ghana me pe and I make am see me nim e defend Asibolanga inti se me ka say kwa bi A+ ejibi for okomo ho a and dey be di me ho me am ho atem ade di nya akoye say bi mi today oye me nyanko me to be yin ma A+ bia no na me cheche mo ache mo no akwa esa bi die ni bi bi to dey efia ye me nyanko efia and dey o dey me che wo wan corner me am cheche mo ache so efia forget your mo sa nyama na ya twitwa so ne nyama but in front of people no kwa bi A+ nyen no na adi say obeyi Asibolanga ma inti kwa bi A+ ho ne dey me tedase akwa esa me die ni bi because I'm going to che no minim pa say the Asibolanga ye no anye ye but emu me be ye video e be defending no as a friend sana kwa me A+ ya na akoye den akoye Nana Mcbrown. My bad. Say a kind hypocrite. Nana Mcbrown, we are senior hypocrite. Wouldn't be Nana Mcbrown. Oh, level now quiet to say ya. Oh, that Jane sister. Oh, sister, be to the mere young girl, my yama. Sisi ya many to be respect me, but then go for the woman. Nana Mcbrown, son out again. Oh, dear, now quiet to say, be to the sister penny. Me a young girl, my yama, my gibiting. Sisi ya no me do level be. It's I want to buy respect on my name. Son out level now quiet then. Akoye. Fadda Dixon. Fadda. Who you be a me respect to pa. Very, very much. Yeah, come for your respect to more Ghana Kumpa. Who you be a come who am heading. Me respect to. I don't know the purpose in your father. Obey invited. If you was like I said, Umbra United Television, so just to talk about issue. Only chairman went to me heading. Inya. Father, I'm saying this because I don't think, sir, chairman went to me. TV station be and Fadda Dixon only will be what problem. Me not sure, sir. Chairman went to be better to have a funny panel better. The show this way yet tree. Sir, I'm going to discuss. Father, I don't know what Asibolanga has against you. But Father, say nyama we no. Oh yeah. Over to treat a dibiatem any disrespect about Kampu. Because at the end of the year we United Showbiz and then no. And I mean who say, hey, if you was nigga, Asibolanga, the whole Ghana, who you celebrate Kessie. Media one no. Asibolanga, Bara, total be cheap. If you was nigga, media one now. Say United Television 4. It's the new topic of the day and that topic of the night. Nana Mcbrown to be hosted the whole night. I discuss in here. Asibolanga Sama. And if you was nigga, we are big celebrity with the award now. Nana Mcbrown. And then discussion in interview never so no. Asibolanga disrespect you in so many ways. But feminine one also if you was nigga Nana Mcbrown. Asibolanga disrespect you in so many ways. But ubu we di go so. Ubu say Asibolanga say sometimes Obi wa woni baby won attack no ye. But if you was like to be attacking the no dey mu thing. Obi say Asibolanga say no Nana Mcbrown. And Asibolanga ka che wo say boni pa ba ku pedin a won attacking na. Onu e fi attacking the no. And I mean say wo say why you book about me asisi edu. Edin. Nana Mcbrown. The tia be say we are senior hypocrite they say. If you can't say no. Nanka Nana Mcbrown I'll pay class. Nana Mcbrown pay on level. Nanka tell be say if you was like I say. I fear na me Nana Mcbrown. Tama me wo ye no. Tama me ya sa adwebodom no. E de na me ye wo. E na na to be didi matem. Edi a wo twa me mpoa say me yesa de bodom me kan paida Nana Mcbrown sa question na say obi say if you was nigga wo studio ho Mcbrown if you can say one say example no say wan na wa attack da ipa ko ni attack no no enye say da ko me siesie edu din na ka say the wa wo ya example because oh wo ya no nature enche wo ba no Nana Mcbrown na ye nya de na ye wo Ghana ho And if you have a guy, Eddie, I will town poor. I can't tell you, sir, you can't pay that. But wait me a friend, one example. A more than say, do the command example. Have we a hypocrite too? We are hypocrites. I will go to TV station on the show this or no. Apart from you can't say Ola Michael, and the guy back on BBB no. I'm me and repair. Who never my body is Mr. Logic Jimmy for an out now on no. Sound logic can put the way to see a mum show this one. Yeah, make out watch out. Nanama. Media de biasa me kan say. Ade ya de yamo enya mode no. Mamu fa nya obi. De wiase mu ya dwa na utwa. Wo do hu be example no. One fa one enya example. Dana na mama gba hu say we fake pan say. If you so say ga didi watem nya de a wo didi watem nya echiwu. Ewie ye no. Na wo nyankopon ya wadom na wo ye mba no. If you invite you, I get pena. Akolana wako adopted no didi stress iska. Eji school fees with ya copy Morocco no. Akolani didn't beg na mama gba ye invite you no. Upon ya na if you dey awo ayi ya woni nya tire no. Ofa oba na wa wo no. And on any if you so asle ga the birthday party dey access. Sada na mi musa na ma. Uye hypocrite. Because na mama gba wo ho no to me kan jam say. Say one if you so asle ga dey ya wo no. What you are trying to but you delete future. No. I know we are all human beings and we are subject to human errors. But me wo hoyi. Me na automatic me wo hoyi. So we are madam for. Na me ni wudi ago. Na ntokwasi. Na me say that you be say ni we di ago a. Instead me wo ho na me kan show. I'm very particular about my words. But so we are madam for. Na me ni wudi ago na ntokwasi. Na me nim say me mpa wadam fom biom. Me fa wundi ago biom a. Killing was be wo me catch you me ndwen ho me ntwe mechi it means automatically sa wo ho asem na if you have to take na mama gba di twa wo no edi twa wo mpoa no sa odi a che no fa nche no yo till you die na mama gba you can't deceive yourself e wo trim it is about how TV station ho na mama the platform for nothing someone beka sex one asem say chema want to be di no chema want to be di no ye. Because I had na mano a whole time of honor no. It doesn't make sense to me. It the person very charm when they say, Nana mama Mcbrown way. The idea mo anya modano. Mama fa nyobi die mu what saying. Ah, nothing. Hey, Bara. If you have to Africa. Toto. Say you TV before pa. I was in United Television just because of you. And you are a whole superstar of Ghana. Bara, Toto. With the award number, what saying?